What's up guys, and I welcome to my new video. And in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create your own stunning website without coding, and it will be absolutely free. Yes guys, you create your own website without coding, HTML, PHP, anything, and it is absolutely free. You no need to pay for domain names, no need to pay for anything, no credit card, no anything set now. Just you can create your own website and start anything. You can do anything with your website. And before we get started of creation of website, you just please subscribe my channel and like the video and press the bell icon so that you get the notification fast. And before you create a website, you just go in your browser and type www.wix.com. it is a stunning free website maker. So my internet is slow, it may take some time. Let the site open, and it's opening. And guys, I'll just, you can see this site. I think this type of site will not open in your browser, so you just need to log in at first. I'll log out and show you how you can log in here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this types of page might be seen when you try to create a go in this wix.com, and you just just log in here, or you can simply click on get started. You just click on this get started button, and simply it asks you to log in with Gmail or Facebook. You can simply log in with Google or Facebook, anything. So I'm continuing with Google, and this pop-up will open here. As you can simply see here, it is asking to select a Gmail, so I'm selecting this. So I am logged in, so I'm getting into the website. Now you can simply see this type of page opening here. Okay, now you are ready to create your own website. So you can simply click here and create new site, or you can, here also it's given. So let's get in, create new site, and you are choosing here to give different types of templates, which website you wanna do. So let's click on other, or if you find your interest one website here, then you can simply click. Otherwise you simply click on other and just choose a template. It just choose a template for you, which template you want for your website. And this type of page will open now. Then what type of template you want for your website? Okay, I see I use this as my website, so I'll do this as view here, and this page is opening. Okay guys, and this is a overview of our website. Our website will be seen like this after it's made. It's simply good. And now you can simply edit this page. So simply to edit this page, you can simply see here, edit this site. You can click on edit this site. And this type of window will come here. It means it's loading. It's loading the editor. Let's wait for some more time, guys. Okay guys, we are simply done, and you can just edit the text here, and you can just edit the text from here, and you can type this is a tutorial, and you can just keep your name here. Hi, my name is, like this. And let's go down. What other features we can see here? Simply you can insert your own image. So to insert your own image, you just click on the image, and you can simply see here change image tab. So just click on change image, and you can upload media, and you can just upload from your computer. You can browse the images and upload from the computer. So I don't want to upload it because my internet is slow and it will again hang, so I don't want to do stops. You can just upload from, you can click on this upload from the computer, and you can browse your image from your computer and insert there. Let's insert this, it's already here. Let's choose image, let's choose the image, and you can simply see that it's uploading and it's done. Yeah, and simply you can also change any stuff from here, anything you can change, and you can simply write here please and something, let's see down, and you can keep some buttons, some custom buttons for you. For example, you can see here, you can see add option, you can see, and here you can see buttons, and you just click in button option, and you can see so many buttons here. Let's click this one, and it's come here, so button here, and now let's edit the button. Let's take a design, apply, let's apply this, and now you can simply change text, let's change text, go to my channel. You can simply do go to my channel, go to my channel, and it's done. And you can set a link here like this, and you can web address. Now copy your channel or any other channel or any website's link, so that if any person clicks in this button, then you will be driving to the next link. So click here, link, and you can do web address. You can simply paste here from, for example, I'll do from here. I'm in YouTube. Internet also so slow, guys, sorry guys. And from here I'll just do copy link address, and there is the editor, and you can just paste it here, and done. It is also done. Now something else, let's see. Okay, our draft website is ready. You can edit all of these pages like this. You can edit this text also very easily. You can edit, just edit text, and as you wish you can edit them. And as you can see, it's edited. And let's go down. And yes guys, you can keep animation also here. For example, here, and you can see this button here, this button animation, it's written, and you can simply choose animations, any kind of animations here, and you can go, let's see more animations. Okay, let's check out this, and done. And let's see something down here. You can edit so many things here, and you can see sponsors and features also, for example like this. And you can see like this feature on, you can write your YouTube channel name, your company, or anything, your business, and so on. Let's go down, and you can see this. You can also edit here. You can edit, for example, like this, my name is KIRN, like this you can do. And you can simply publish your website like this. No, let's say for save our website. I forgot to save. You will not save, will not be. At first save it, and keep your site name. My site already given, suppose draft. I keep its name draft, and save and continue. If you spend some money, you can get a custom domain, but we don't need custom domain. When it is saved, we can simply publish it from here. Let's save it first, and it's done. And you can simply publish it from here. And it's published, and you can simply view site from here. And your website is ready, guys, here. As you can see, guys, it's the website we created just now, and it has many features as it is. And you can see and we created a button here through which we can go to next channel. Let's click, and we are driving to the YouTube. You can see here simply youtube.com channel. And that's so easy to create your website. You just create your website and sell, guys. Thank you, bye bye, thanks for watching, and please comment me what type of website you will be creating by looking this video. Thanks, guys. Subscribe my channel and like the video. Hope you learn something. Bye bye.